na siyang bukas.
So we're here at the house of Edward. We're going to clean the restroom.
Restroom, we're gonna clean the restroom. We are the maintenance. What? We are the maintenance. Yes, maintenance.
Edward, I have a YouTube channel. Yeah,
How many subscribers do you have?
3 million.
3 million?
Yes. Say hi to my subscriber.
3 million?
Yeah, 3 million minus 30. Tong ina mo, ni review. Nagbibisa po yung maintenance, isip-sipin na po yung
Sisip na po naman.
You're good at basketball?
Basay.
RB is good.
Edward, do you know how much it costs per monthly for this condominium?
This?
Yes.
I don't know.
But in your house?
And in my house?
No, in your house.
There?
Yes.
Paid monthly? No. No, I don't pay monthly. It's yours? Yes, there. This is the price, I think.
600,000 boy. God.
Too much.
Yeah, I have that in my wallet. 600,000? I have here.
You bought that
Kadyan boy,
bike?
kad.
What?
Kadyan
You
boy.
bought
Yeah,
that
yeah.
bike or your
Yeah.
parents? My parents.
Ah, nice. It's a gift?
What?
It's a gift?
A gift, yes.
Ah.
When I
Test mo nga yun, boy.
Ha?
My
Test mo nga
first
sa
phone.
peso yun, magkakano? 600 card.
Million yun. 2.4 million o 2.4
What?
million. Baka ganun. 600k.
Are you happy to go here to swim?
Ah, and boy. Hindi ako nakatry, galo shirt lang ako.
No smoking in this. No way.
Okay.
Okay.
No way.
Yes.
We just swim.
Yeah, just swim.
Can we swim like this?
Yes. No, no, no.
What is the gear?
Yeah, I don't know.
What is the attire?
Ask to the lifeguard.
The attire?
What?
The attire.
I think there are people there. Yes, people are there. 4 people. Yeah, we'll put my bike there.
Boy, malaki daw yung nilinising pool. Ito na po yung mga maglilinis ng pool. Manager, malaki daw po yung nilinising pool, manager.
Ocean? Ocean park? No, no ocean park. No ocean? Ocean. What is ocean?
Just a sea.
A sea? No, no sea here. Here in Quebec. No, Quebec. Quebec. Yes, in Quebec, no ocean.
Where you go?
What?
You go swimming.
What? When we?
Montreal?
No, Montreal, no. Look,
Sabay mo na
if
to
I
dyan.
show you a map. Look, we don't have ocean. Why? Quebec is here. the ocean is there. We don't have ocean.
Just river.
Just
Montmorency.
river, just river. Yeah,
Gago, pag na ito, tanggal ito.
So, walang kwenta yung pagkalagay mo niyan.
Ha?
I will show you the gym. You want to show you the gym?
Yeah. Yeah, the girls doing exercise?
No, this is the pool.
Until 9.
What?
Until 9, that's Saturday, Sunday.
Yes.
But today, Monday, the already still 9.
But you cannot be there if you don't have the gym.
Yeah. So, where we can go to exit?
This is what?
Exit.
Exit.
If you finish
Oh, people.
So, ito na po yung maglilinis ng pool.
Go.
No, that's fine.
You can
We're afraid because
go, come.
maybe there's a dog.
We can go inside?
Yes, what? There?
Yes?
You wanna go
Pasok
see?
ba tayo?
After the pool, you can go because
There's a
the
dog.
people, they have dogs.
I'm going to see what's in there.
If you go down there, is the exit. Not the exit, is the
Fire?
parking, yes. Interior parking. See the door. If you wanna go change yourself, is there. This one, I know listen, girl.
Okay. And let's straight.
This pool.
This for the pool.
Yes. Go there. To change, go there.
Tingnan mo na ba? Change first.
Magpalta tayo, wala akong nangyayari po. Nahiya ako pa ba sa ganyan-ganyan po
This
eh.
is normal thing.
Okay. Mag-trans ka na. Dali.
Okay. Change in a
Record.
What?
Record.
Stay here.
No, yeah.
The bag,
stay here.
we bring in the beside the pool? Our bag?
What?
Our bag or we need to...
Stay.
Oh, or by, I think we need to put it there. Oh, on the side of the pool.
Baka lalak yan.
Side of the pool maybe.
Yes, maybe. But not a lot of things.
So can we leave our bags here?
Yes.
Okay.
Cool.
Are you going swimming? No.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? You don't have your.
I don't know how to swim.
You don't know?
Yes.
Yeah, I know. So you will sit with me? You will sit on me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you hold it first?
Yes.
Don't press anything. Just hold it. Because it's recording.
Oh yes.
Saan ako ba dyan?
It's allowed to no shirt?
What?
No shirt?
No, what is your choice, man?
Okay, okay na do this.
It's allowed? It's allowed?
I don't know.
Like that?
Yeah, I don't know.
Gagawin di ata pwede tayo kayo muna. Kapag nag-vlog tayo kayo bawal.
Boy, ano ba to?
Ha?
Gago, naka-video ka ha? Sip-sip ka dun. Sip-sipin
This
yung
is
dumi.
Edward's territory.
Do you think that's attire is okay?
What?
That's attire is okay, sando and the shirt. It's okay to the
Yes,
pool?
yes. Not, I think no shirt, maybe.
No shirt?
I don't think so.
Where's there's no rules and regulation.
What?
I mean the right and the wrong.
To what?
The rules and the regulation at the
Yes,
pool.
yes,
Where? Can I read it?
Yes. It's written on the board.
Where is it?
Go on the go see. Go enter in the pool and go see.
Okay.
Where's the shower?
No shower, I think.
What? Really?
Yes, yes, on the side of the pool.
Ah, you have shower here.
What? Yes.
Baka bawal kasi naka-short lang. Alam mo, meron siya ako dito.
Is it up? What? To with the shirt? I think yes. Maybe ask the lifeguard. Test your French.
That's your French.
Ah, you don't speak English? No.
You don't speak English?
Maybe. I don't know.
You talk to the lifeguard.
What?
You talk to the lifeguard because you're sick.
Okay.
Ilalim yata.
Run and push someone and no alcohol, no vape, no other thing. Yes.
Okay.
No animal.
Yung animal, so pakilabas na.
So I will ask if you can have a shirt.
Yeah. Maybe in the river.
So this is the pool.
We go swim in the river.
So we need to go.
Kaya lang.
We just play basketball.
Hindi allow yung lahat ng kay Edward dyan.
What? Yes.
Hindi mo na history kayo.
So next time.
Next time because you don't have swimming suit.
Sabi sa inyo, boy.
It's not fun because you don't have your swimming suit.
Yeah.
If you have it, it will be fun.
Yeah. The real swim trunks and
So now you will know, and after.
Yeah.
And after we go here.
Yes, and after you go here,
Where do we go? Exit.
we will learn of this.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's go.
Nursemate.
So we go there?
Yes. I will give you a glass of water.
Yeah. You go to your house?
Yes.
Oh. Antay mo mawin.
Uuwi na kami. Uwi na tayo, may pasok pa kami.
Muna tayo. Okay.
It's nice here, it's overlooking.
Oh, you have a wonderful view here.
Yes.
Wow. Ah, see the Videotron.
What? Videotron? Yes, it's there. The white.
So near.
Videotron, yes.
Where's your house?
Oh, it's the third one.
You have a... Edward, you have a girlfriend here?
No. Why? Because I don't talk with anyone here.
You don't have friends here?
No, I don't go outside. I don't.
You just in the room?
Yes, I just in my room playing or I work at the McDonald's.
That's your
And I do my
exercise.
homework.
Ah,
Yes.
in our country,
Yes. No
the,
more?
The child like the age of you,
Yes.
they go fighting. Yeah, they bring knives.
Nice.
They stab each
They
other.
kill him.
They killing each other.
Seriously?
That's how they play.
Seriously?
No, it's kidding.
No, it's true. 14 years old.
14 years old? They're killing yourself.
They bring stones. They throw
You're
each
killing
other
yourself?
like Spartans.
You're doing a YouTube video?
Uuwi na po kami kasi
You're doing a YouTube video?
Yeah, yes.
video.
YouTube.
Yeah, I'm doing
Show me your channel.
Okay,
Put it on
I will put you there.
3 million. I want.
3 million subscriber.
Subscribers.
Show me your 3
Yeah.
million.
He's famous. 3
Yeah.
million bashers.
3 million bashers.
Putang boring yung mga bata dito, no? Kaya pala parang paglaki nila,